Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking bandwidth and limits so the transfer won't stall. Know your upload Mbps. Once done, pick a method: Cloud for simplicity, SFTP or rsync for control, P2P for large sets. Make an encrypted archive if privacy matters. Next, prepare credentials and the recipient address. Name files consistently so you both track versions. Begin the first upload or initiate the remote pull immediately, watching transfer progress and noting any early errors. You'll now perform the core steps that keep transfers reliable. Split very large files into 1 GB 4 GB parts so interruptions are manageable, or use an archive with solid recovery records. Use tools that support resume and checksums, like rsync or a robust SFTP client, and monitor integrity as each chunk completes. Make sure encryption is active, TLS or client-side AES 256, then securely deliver keys out of band. If you're pulling remotely, verify permissions and start the pull with verbose logging enabled. You finish by verifying integrity. Run SHA 256 checksums and compare results. Check file sizes and timestamps to confirm completeness. Once verified, remove temporary split files, revoke any temporary links or credentials, and rotate keys if used. If something failed, consult transfer logs, rerun only the failed chunks, and try alternate ports or a VPN to bypass throttling. Make sure the recipient can open files. If not, confirm decompression tools and permission bits, then repeat the specific step that failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.